Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can track your mouse. I don't really know how to explain it better than just showing it to you guys, but it's basically just motion tracking it. Super simple. You're just going to go to video and you're going to go down until you find camera tracking, or you can track I guess the video itself here. So I'm just going to zoom in a little bit and I'm going to add in the text here, and then I'll go to tracking and then select motion tracking. I'm just gonna track the mouse. I'm just going to use the camera tracking instead. Sorry. You can either do AI movement or camera tracking, and then you're going to select either the face, the body, the hand, or custom. You can make this custom tracking. Then you're just going to press start and it's going to track the focus, the main point of your video, for instance the mouse or something like that. But that's pretty much it really. You're just going to track the movement of it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.